Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chris, and today in this video I'll be revealing to you what you need to put in place to be able to withdraw your money from Hamster Kombat Airdrop when it launches. So one thing you need to know for now is that you cannot withdraw your money currently from the Hamster Kombat as at now that I am doing this video. Until it launches, you are not able to withdraw your money. But this is what you need to quickly do and make sure you are ready for when it is listed so that you can easily withdraw your money without stress. So firstly, before I go into showing you what you need to do to be able to withdraw your money, one thing you need to put in place is that ensure you are doing all you need to do to be able to earn enough rewards when this Hamster Kombat Airdrop launches. So what are these things? You need to ensure that you are always doing the daily earning, like getting your daily earnings just like this. And also ensure that you are participating on all the tasks that are being given on a daily basis by the Hamster Combo team. So such as like the daily cipher, ensure you always get the daily cipher. The daily combo, ensure you always get it. And also ensure you always get to check out this point where they say you should earn more coins by watching videos on their YouTube channel. And also ensure you get to invite some friends. As you can see, I've invited some friends right here. And lastly, ensure you are also mining by doing what? By tapping on the coins and also using the bot to mine for you. So that being said, let me show you what you need to put in place for you to ensure that you will be receiving your own part of this airdrop when it launches. And that is by connecting your wallet. As you can see right here, just come to this last one that says airdrop, and as you can see, you need to connect your wallet. And the Hamster Kombat is dropping on the Tone blockchain. So as you can see, you need to connect your Tone wallet. What you just have to do, just click on connect your wallet and just click on connect your Tone wallet. So there are a lot of options for you to be able to connect your Tone wallet, but the one that is easier and simple to do is just to use the Tone Keeper wallet. And I have previously done a video on this channel on how to create your Tone Keeper wallet, so just check out that video on the description of this video. So now that being said, just click on this first one that says Tone Keeper. Then it will pop up something like this, or it might just redirect you. Then it just shows you something like this, that you should connect your Tone Keeper to your Hamster Kombat, enable notification, ensure it is turned on, then click on connect. Then they will ask you for your passcode. This is a passcode that you generated when you were creating your Tone Keeper wallet. So it's just a simple remember it and input it. And as you can see, done, my Tone Keeper wallet is connecting. So as you can see right here, your Tone wallet is connected. So if you check out right here, my wallet is already connected. And if you check within your Tone Keeper app, when you have already set it up, just come to this point that says browsers and you go to the point that says connected. As you can see, Hamster Kombat is connected, and I also have Bloom Airdrop connected right there. So this is what you need to do quickly and ready, so that when this airdrop is listing, it will be easy for you to actually receive your own share of this. Once this is connected, when they begin to distribute airdrops to the participants of this Hamster Kombat, it will be easy for you to receive yours. So I hope that this has been helpful. So connect yours and keep doing what you need to do daily to earn more coins and also increase your profits per hour, so that you will be much more ready when this is launched. So that being said, that is it for this video. Ensure you are subscribed to the channel and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, I'll see you on the next one.